Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files on your EMPORIA Smart 4 using app called RAR. So in order to do this, we'll need to download RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here's a camera.rar archive. So now let's press on it in order to open it. From here, if it's not encrypted, you'll instantly get access. Now to unpack it, select each file that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything, click on this arrow pointing up instantly. From here we can change the destination where the file will be unpacked, so let's pick movies for this example. Click OK to save that. Next we can change few options, which are ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files or do not extract paths. After every setting is set for you, click OK, and that way you'll unpack these files. Now let's navigate to the movies folder and check if the files are there. So here's two files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.